my god. Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. In today's video, we will be doing the no mirror skincare challenge. It's similar to the no makeup or no mirror, no makeup skincare. Look, I'm really nervous and I have a lot of anxiety about doing this challenge because I've never did my skincare without a mirror. So this is just going to be really difficult for me. I can't even look in the screen finder to see if the camera is focused, if the battery is going to die. So I'm a little flabbergasted, slurring, jumbling of words. So please. So the first thing we are going to be using is the Laneige Cream Skin Milk Oil Cleanser. I am going to use this. Oh my God, it's already on my clothes. It's everywhere. You guys, I don't know if I could do this because it just feels so weird doing skincare without a mirror. I mean, normally you guys see me, I have like stuff all over my face, but just to do this without a mirror is giving me so much anxiety. It is not even funny. Is it all over my face? Can y'all tell? Is it there? I'm not getting my neck because Lord, if we get the neck. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. Is it off? Did I get it all off? Can you guys help out? Did I get it off? Okay, it's off. So the next product we are going to go in with is the Trouble Cleansing Foam by AC Clear. This is actually, look you guys, I am really having a lot of anxiety from doing a no mirror skincare challenge. It's giving me a lot of anxiety, but this is actually a cleansing foam from the Korean brand, the plant-based. Y'all, I'm gonna just be jumbling words through this whole video, so bear with me. Can you imagine being like me, using a ton of product and not being able to see a mirror if it's off? This would give you anxiety too. Oh my God. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna rinse my face. Oh my God, this is giving me anxiety. This is gonna go left. Oh my God. Oh my God, please help me. Oh my God. What do you guys think so far? Is it off? I hope it's off. I hope it's off. It feels like it's off. Please let it be off, because this video, I feel like if I don't get this off, I'm gonna get a ton of dislikes. And I don't want dislikes. Is it off, you guys? I don't know if it's off or not. Oh my God. I feel like, okay, it feels dry.
A few minutes later.
Okay, you guys, so I'm assuming it's off. My hands are still a little, so I'm gonna just wipe them on my shirt. I feel dry. Do you guys see any residue? So the next step we are going to go in is with the Amaravisca Deep Clearing Mask. I really hope that stuff is off my face. Like, I really do, because I hope it's off my face. I used a lot because I can't see. I'm using what I have to the best of my ability. For those out there, I can't see. Is it on my skin? Is it? Let me see. I can't feel it because my hands are sort of like covered in the mask. And I don't want to go down to my neck because I feel like if I go down to my neck, it'll get everywhere. So I'm just hoping it is all over my skin. I don't even know if it's even covered over my face. Like, I don't know. Is it covered, y'all? Is it dry? I don't know if it's dry, so we just gonna go ahead and rinse it off and pray for a miracle. I hope I get it all off my face. Oh my God. I forgot this was a mud mask. I think this was one of the worst ideas I could have did for the video. Okay, so is it off? I feel like it's off. So we just gonna go on to the next step and pray for a miracle. If there is something on my face, remember this is the no mirror skincare challenge. So I don't know. I don't know, so don't get mad. Like, I feel some, hold on, let me see. Is this still some, is this some, oh my God, I felt some. Oh my God. I felt some on my face. Is this some right there? Okay, I think it's all off now. So there we go. Woo! I was scared it was some left on my face. Could you imagine moving on to the next step with stuff left on your face? Oh my God, it's giving me anxiety. The next thing we are going to go in with is the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. So let me get this. Oh my God. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, this is calming my anxiety down. The rosemary and peppermint. Oh, it is literally calming me down from all the anxiety. I was worried for nothing. Now we're gonna go in with some eye cream. So this brand is called Verso Eye Cream. And yeah, so bam. Oh my God, I think there's some left on my face from the mask. I see some black stuff. Is there something on my face? Oh, I'm gonna just calm down and keep going. I think I'm gonna use the rest of my Caudalie up because I got anxiety. If there is something left on my face, I am going to be mad because I feel like then this video is gonna go left and people gonna get mad. Look, you guys, this is the no mirror skincare challenge. If something is on my face, I don't know, okay? So don't get mad at me. At least I could get my neck now because I ain't got nothing on my neck. Oh, okay, so there's nothing on my hand. So I was worried for nothing. I really thought that I was gonna have some stuff on my face. Like, I am so happy. Now I can do this skincare in peace because I feel like I got everything off my face. Because like when I was patting it in, I literally felt nothing. I don't see any black specks. Woo! You guys, I was so worried for nothing. So the next product, now we could do this and I could feel just like, ah. Okay, so the next product we are going to go in with is the Radiant Labs Infused Daily De-Stress for Face. I think they sell this at, what's that store where the, you know, those guys with the 6-packs you used to hang out at and you would just stare at them and be like, well, do they only do that in LA? Because I went to the store here with the guys who stand out with the 6-packs and just be looking there emaciated and tired. And I didn't see them doing that here. So I think that's only in LA where they stand out the store with just jeans on and a 6-pack. Y'all let me know because I'm looking tired and emaciated. I don't feel like anything is wrong with my face, so I feel okay. So this is what my face looks like so far. What do you guys think of that glow? Oh my God, I know I look good. Oh, I know my skin is glistening. I'm so happy.
Why you always lying?
Okay, so now we're gonna go in with an organic product. I know all the skincare science people are shaking, but it's the Shea Terra Organics Rose Hip Carrot Face Cream. Oh my God, cannot believe I used a lot of this. I feel like it's not gonna rub into my skin, so we'll be here for like 20 minutes. I should have used a little bit. Is it rubbing in? I'm hoping it's rubbing in. It feels like it. There's still some more. Like, I'm using my hands as an indicator to see if I see anything. I don't see anything, so that's a good start. Oh yeah, get them lips, honey. Look at, I bet my skin is glowing, honey. I know y'all are ready for me to see. Oh my God, I'm so nervous, but I'm so excited because I know I did it right. Why am I worried? I did it right. I'm worried for nothing. Oh my God, I look horrible. Oh my God, I have so much stuff. Look at what. Oh my God. That means 9 out of 10, none of this literally absorbed into my skin. Oh my God. Oh my God, this challenge is horrible. Now I can look in a screen finder. Look at, I have so much stuff left Oh my God, it is literally everywhere. Okay, so when did it get like this? I'm trying to figure out at what point did it like, did I rub it in with the face cream? Was I literally rubbing the rest of the, oh my God. That being said, you guys, I am gonna go ahead and rewash my face and do this whole routine over again. I'm just really flabbergasted, you guys. So with that being said, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.